Skyscanner is a flight search engine, a page that gathers up to 1,000 airlines around the world, allowing you to make price comparisons, results without preferences or favorite companies, and ordered according to your interest. It has a technology system that constantly updates the prices of flights to offer true and reliable flight information. A differentiating aspect of this search engine is that it is not necessary to have a destination and date set to perform a search. You can see a list of offers from different countries. It allows you to plan your trip more completely, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. It can also change the language and currency with which you want your results. There are several tricks to find offers in this search engine. If you want to save, it is important to have flexibility in different aspects, so the page will show you the best offers. By choosing the option to any place, you can know which is the most economical destination. Choose the one that most interests you. Also have flexibility in the dates. Avoid according to your possibilities to travel in common holiday periods. Use the cheapest month option, so you can see which are the dates in which it is cheaper to travel to the destination of your choice. Or you can use the full month option and see in detail the price for each day. Similarly, according to the comfort you want to travel with, you can determine your expenses. Keep in mind that the fewer privileges you will spend on your tickets. Search by country and not by city, so you know which airport is the most suitable and cheapest for your arrival. Another way to get offers on this platform is by choosing flights in the early hours of the morning. Keep in mind the scales. They are usually cheaper than direct flights. You can take advantage of these scales according to their duration to know more about that city and make your wait more entertaining. Activate alerts to receive updated and cheaper prices. Plan your trip well in advance so you have enough time to compare and choose the best offer. On the other hand, the best option is to buy the round-trip tickets separately. It is about comparing and looking for the best option.